Hey, how you doing? Austin here, and in this video I'm going to be updating you on Palantir with the latest information of what's going on with them. As you guys know, I am a huge fan of this company. I do own this stock. In fact, I own quite a few shares of this stock. It is a stock that I'm extremely bullish on, and I firmly believe I've been saying this for quite a while now, that this is a $40 to $50 stock inside of a year from now, and I think it's a $100 stock in 2 to 3 years, give or take. I am very bullish, and I think that this stock is going to continue just to go in the right direction and continue to trending very, very nicely. Yesterday we had a big day. We finally broke through the $25 range share price. That was a 10+% move that we had yesterday. And I believe that that is a culmination of a couple of things. So we're going to look at a couple of charts and look at some information related to Palantir. Today is a very, very big day for Palantir. Today is their double-click demo day where they're going to be showing off their software to some industries. So we're going to look at what those industries are and look at some existing customers that you may not even know that Palantir had in the private sector. So we're going to be looking at that. So overall, this is a really good day for Palantir, and firmly expect this stock to continue to move in the right direction. The Nasdaq's got to help us out, of course. So we're going to be looking at all things Palantir today. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and if you get value out of this video, please do two things. Number one, consider subscribing to the channel and drop a like on this video if you get value. Actually, dropping a like does help the channel, helps the video, and I would greatly appreciate it. So with all that, let's go take a look at what's going on with Palantir right now. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're going to look at a few charts. We're going to start off with Google Finance and really just real quickly look at the overall yesterday, the 5-day, the 5-day, so where is it? Today's the 14th. Yeah, so the 13th. Trying to figure out where we got. Oh, this is, so okay, there it is, April 13th. So there's your baseline. So yeah, we moved up about 10% yesterday. Actually, I charted it earlier, it was about 10.4, so I'm probably not grabbing it quite at the right time there. But overall, today the stock looks like we're trading down just a little bit, and nope, actually we're not. We're up 30 cents. So literally, I just looked at this before I started recording, and it wasn't showing anything because the market just opened. So apologize for that. 6 months. So overall, what we've got here is we've got a 6-month chart, and you can see that we trended up. Actually, I told it wrong. We trended up about 10%. Yeah, about 10% yesterday. Sorry, allergies, not caffeinated, not quite awake yet, but I want to get this video out for you guys. So the key I'm trying to point out here is that we are now trading above $25, and we've been trading in this 22, 23, low 24 range for quite some time. And so I real quickly did a very, very, very simple chart to show you kind of this. And now, granted, this is not the normal charting software I use. I use TradingView quite a bit, but I'm having problems with my TradingView account, so that's why I'm not showing this in TradingView. But I wanted to create this real simple chart to show you two things, okay? So the first thing I want to show you is this is really our support level, our bottom resistance support level right here, the red line. Now, I've been saying this for quite some time. As of late, it looks like our support level is really in that kind of 2021 kind of time frame. You know, that's where we've really not broken through and dropped below that. And you can see going back even into the December time frame, we just simply did not even get anywhere near kind of that resistance level, and that was really kind of it. We touched those levels back around March 25th in that area. Again, those were some red days overall in the Nasdaq. The green line represents right here. The green line really represents that upward kind of ceiling level, as I call it, that upper line, and it's really been our resistance line to move up and to break through of that. If we could find, some of the technical analysis I've been doing is that if we could get past that $25 range, it seemed to be where we had a tremendous amount or an amount of resistance to grow above that $25 range, and we accomplished that yesterday. So we accomplished that, kind of breaking through that barrier, and now that we're through that barrier, we should continue to see trend lines moving up. We've got a lot of things kind of headed in the right direction for Palantir. All of the news, you guys know I track all the news. I see all the news, and I'm watching all of it. It's extremely bullish now. All of the news coming out is very, very bullish. Why does that matter? It matters because everybody who's kind of looking at the stock and the news, and there's very little bearish information. So the overall tide consensus is now turning extremely positive, which hints at or suggests that the stock is going to continue to move up as more and more money flows into it. Okay, so overall, again, a very simple chart. I just wanted to make this for you to kind of show you what really our key support level, resistance at the bottom has been. We've pretty much stayed above it, and now this key indicator to kind of move up, and the barrier to move through was that $25 range, and we went through that yesterday, and there you go. We're actually trading up now above $26, right? As literally, I'm recording this live. It's approximately 8:35 Central, so 9:35 East Coast time. So we're moving up real nicely. We're already up 2.68% today, already up 68 cents today. So, and overall, the NASDAQ, you can see here, the NASDAQ's kind of flat. I mean, the NASDAQ's only up 3%. So we're headed in the right direction. So there is a scenario playing out. I mentioned this in kind of the intro. Palantir. Every now and then I say Palantir. I don't know why I do that. Palantir shares show strength ahead of foundry-focused demo day. I'm assuming you're aware of this, but if not, I wanted to make you aware that this is happening today at 11 o'clock Eastern time, and I really wanted to make you aware of the industries they're focusing the demo day event around. Okay, so Palantir shares closed up yesterday. This was yesterday at 8.9. I had done some analysis, and I'd shown one chart I'd looked at. It was 10%. It was weird, and so it really wasn't. It was about 9%. So again, been already one of those mornings. So their double-click demo event kicks off at today at 11 p.m. The event, the first in a series of double-click demos, will focus on the use of Palantir's foundry software in the life sciences and industrials verticals. Okay, so that is what we're talking about here. Okay, so this is the actual press release that was sent out. Okay, so let me show you. Palantir software is used by companies across 40 industries worldwide. The series of software events that showcase how the company's platform are used across these industries and customers. So that's what they're going to be showing. The first event will feature in-depth demonstrations of Palantir Foundry for life sciences industrials. This is what I wanted to tell you. Palantir's customers in these verticals include the following. Okay, a couple of these I was not aware of. Merck, I knew about. NIH, NHS, 3M, I was not aware that 3M was using the technology, and I was not aware that PG&E, Procter & Gamble, not Procter, PG&E was not using. British Petroleum, I was not aware of that. So there's some pretty large companies that are using the software that I wasn't even aware of, okay? And so I thought that was really, really cool. Software demos at DoubleClick will showcase how customers use Archetype's Palantir solution to deploy an end-to-end use cases in a matter of clicks on top of the Foundry platform, including life sciences, harmonized patient view, clinical observational data, curation, prognostic model management, accelerated discovery via scientific research collaboration. Some words in there I didn't even understand, but it sounded really cool. Industrials, end-to-end quality assurance, product optimization, high-scale, low-T analytics, supply chain optimization. So you can see that this is the first of a series double-click demo events that's starting to happen. So this is the news that I wanted to bring you. Again, we're trading up. Well, we've dropped back a little bit, so now we're at 25.77. The key is that I wanted to make you aware of kind of our bottom support, resistance level 21, 22, high 20, 21, 22 range, and the key level we broke through yesterday, the $25 level from the share price. I think that's been really kind of the ceiling that we have not been able to break through. We broke through that yesterday. And this series of double-click events that are getting a tremendous amount of press kicks off today in approximately an hour and a half, give or take. No, actually 2.5 hours. Man, coffee, need it. Allergies crushing me. And today is focusing on these particular verticals, life sciences and industrials. And we got some big clients that weren't even using it. Okay, so that's what I wanted to bring you in this video to make you aware of everything. Got another video coming out for you for Palantir, probably either later today or tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that. Until then, I'm going to go get some allergy medicine and have a cup of coffee, and I'll see you in a little bit. Take care.